observation. You know, everything's so green, and it just looks like
Ready?
a little
One, two,
three,
go!
How old is she?
Whoa!
That's why I like
She's
this.
5.
He thought I was going to go up this way. So
So I thought that was a pretty good observation.
Decide what to do.
Is that funny? No.
I think she just hates the water.
She pauses like, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
What are you doing, Jacob?
He'll look through that in a minute.
Oh, that is so
There you go.
Oh my.
I don't know what I'm seeing.
That'll be
Oh,
deeper. That's hilarious.
You know, today
can't
we
lean
didn't
back
have
and try
a
to pull my
swimming
hands
pool
up.
under it. She was going down on her belly, feet first.
Are you watering the grass for me,
She would
Sydney?
giggle
Are you
and
too big
giggle,
for
but
Daddy's help
I'm
now?
afraid to let her do it now.
Sure.
1, 2, 3, go!
She'll go farther,
Yay!
clip her chin or something.
That's a pretty girl. Oh,
I located my camera, Jamie, but then I left it at home, so I'll have to have copies.
Okay, that's fine.
She'll do it.
We can do that.
Spit it. If you got water, spit it out.
Yeah.
Spit it out there because it's dirty.
Nope. It's gone.
Thanks. I'm thirsty though.
Whoa!
Whoa!
1, 2, 3, go!
I think she's just trying to say 3 now. Eee.
There we go.
Be quick, Grandma.
It's not me, David, it's the camera. Sweetness.
That's the reason I had to shell out all that money and buy that big old one.
Well, Brenda, at least she came out on that side so you could get a good picture. At least she posed.
Can you do it, Sid? You need help?
You want me to lift you up? Well, let me get her down and I'll just hold it, all right?
Hold on.
1, 2, okay. Yay! Is that right?
Are you wet? Hold Brian's hand. Are you wet? You need to hold somebody's hand. Are you done? Are you going on your tummy? Huh? What do you want to do? Do you want to go?
Whoa!
My goodness. How fun.
Uh-oh, Sid and Annie's... What is my daughter's name? Elena is trying to do it.
You're a bad influence.
Wait a minute.
Whoa, Lena, whoa.
You're okay. Come on. And you're swimming this way. Come on, please. That's okay. Hey, Jake. What are you doing? You're being a stink.
Okay, ready, go!
I am king of the hill.
Whoa!
3.
Wyatt sitting at the top of the slide when Elena wanted to get down there and go. I mean, he sat on that thing, looked around at her, and she looked at him, and she just backed down the slide and stepped off a few steps and looked at him, and he was still sitting on the slide. I mean,
Hold on a minute. Lena, get out of the way, baby. Get out of the way. Okay. Now you can go.
Thank you, big girl.
Good job, Lena.
Calm down. Oh, okay. I won't hold on. I promise.
Okay, go.
I just got you on video lying to Jacob, Brian. Later in life, he's going to say, I can never trust Brian.
I won't be the first time.
No,
Jacob thinks Brian's a politician.
but he really wasn't holding.
Yeah, he was just pushing a little.
You have to wait.
Elena, you need to share.
Come on, let's go down the slide. You want me to put more water on? Come on, let's go fast.